Hello everyone, my name is Lalita Yadav. I am from Sam Higginbottom University of Agricultural Technology and Sciences from Ethylene College of Home Science. Today here in this video I am going to give presentation on magnesium. Uh, Preface. First of all, this book contain all the updated information about magnesium, that which includes a bio and physiological process, and also includes a function, structural abnormalities, utilization, and the cells, organs, and system. And also it contains all the updated information regarding magnesium. First of all, I would like to thank my professor, Mrs. Virginia Paul, ma'am, for her guidance and her valuable information to help me to this project and make it full of success. And also, I would like to thank my friends who have helped me with their valuable suggestion and guidance. Has been helpful in various phases of completion of the project. This contains that are mentioned in these tables, that include this contains all the can be seen in this video of the magnesium history. It was the first person to recognize the magnesium. It is an element was Joseph Black at Edinburgh in 1755. It was first isolated by Sir Humphrey Davy in England 1808, and Davy's first suggestion for a name was magnesium, but the name manganese is now used. Magnesium, it is mainly helpful in body functions, that which keep blood pressure normally and bone strong and heart rhythm steady. It plays main important role in the 300 enzyme reactions in the human body, and it also helps to keep the blood pressure and the support immune system regulating functionally. Benefits. Magnesium is one of the 7 essential macro minerals, and the people need to consume large amounts, at least 100 milligrams per day. And it also micro minerals such as iron and zinc are just important, that people need them in smaller amounts. Benefits of magnesium, it includes it may boost exercise performance. Magnesium fights depression. It has benefits against type 2 diabetes. Magnesium can lower blood pressure. It has anti-inflammatory benefits. Magnesium can help prevent migraines. It reduces insulin resistance. Function. It is needed more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and it also maintain normal nerve and muscle function, and it mainly supports an healthy immune system, and it also adjusts blood glucose levels, and it also the helpful in the production of energy and protein. And these there are few different forms of magnesium, that which includes magnesium oxide, magnesium chloride, magnesium lactate, magnesium maltate, magnesium tetrate, magnesium L-threonate, magnesium sulfite. Here are some body requirements of magnesium. It according to the RDA recommended dietary allowance, the element of magnesium includes for men from 19 to 30 years, they include 400 mg. For women 310 mg. From the men 31 years and more than that, it include 420 mg. For women it include 320 mg. And for age of pregnant women from 14 to 18 years, they also include 320 mg. Sources. It is mainly seen in plants and animal foods, and also in beverages, and also in green leafy vegetables, and and also grains, and the some of the main food sources. It also contain in food dietary fiber, that which provide through magnesium. This magnesium is also added in breakfast and other fortified foods. This is the table that which helps to the world's healthiest food, ranked as quality source of magnesium, which includes food serving size, calories, and also amount, DR, and nutrient density, and world healthiest food ratings. Absorption of magnesium. Magnesium is absorbed principally in small intestine. It is also done through the passive diffusion through bulk flow of water, and the dietary content of magnesium should be approximately 30 to 40% is mainly absorbed. Role of magnesium in cell metabolism. It mainly involved in the enzyme systems that which regulating the glucose hemostasis, and it may give rise to alternation in glucose metabolism, and also influence insulin secretion as well as glucose uptake by cells. Role of magnesium in glycolysis. It involved to help shield off negative charges from the phosphate groups on the OTP molecule, and the result of this phosphorylation is a molecule called glucose 6 phosphate, and called because there are the 6 carbon of the glucose acquires the phosphate group. And the deficiency, there are some deficiency that includes in magnesium, that which may includes numbness, tingling, muscle cramps, seizures, muscle spasticity, personality changes, abnormal heart rhythms. And if what is a problem you will face if you take too much of magnesium, what are the risk? It may taking overdose of magnesium through daily dietary sources, the body will eliminate excess magnesium from food and through the urine. It is also intake magnesium and lead to gastrointestinal problems such as diarrhea, nausea or cramping. Summary, it is a main essential macronutrient that which plays mainly key role in the food process, and also bone health and the mood and the muscle and the nerve. And this is the formation of bone and teeth, and also for normal nerve and muscle function, and it is also related to the metabolism of calcium and the metabolism of potassium. These are the references the references that here we have given below. Follow for more information, follow these references to know more about the magnesium. Thank you.